So this is LRC49. This is Alcantara Fabric Cleaner. We put the word fabric in there with the Alcantara because a lot of people believe that Alcantara is actually a form of leather. Alcantara is not a form of leather at all. It is a synthetic man-made material. It is a fabric, and you can treat it the same way you would any fabric. So it can be cleaned with a dedicated Alcantara cleaner, or you can steam it and clean it that way if you wanted to. Obviously steaming will release some of the colours. You've just got to be very, very careful how you go over it if it is an older item. But this is a dedicated Alcantara fabric cleaner that we've designed, which is LRC49. Application is very, very simple. It's just a matter of just spraying it onto the surface like so. Generous amount sprayed on, and just simply scrub your Alcantara fabric in every direction possible to help remove any dirt and grime on the surface. And then you can just simply rub over the surface with a bamboo cloth to remove any dirt and grime that is on there. It has an amazing smell to this as well. The aroma on this, people have said, is absolutely fantastic, and they can't get enough of it. It really does have a beautiful sort of like country scent sort of thing to it. It's absolutely fantastic. LRC49, you know, once you've done that, you can hoover this off with a vacuum if you wanted to suck the dirt out from deep down within the Alcantara, but it's very, very simple. Fluff it up, because it is a fluffy material, a bit like a suede and a nubuck. That's how you use LRC49. Head on over to the website, leatherrepaircompany.com. Any help you need, we have a technical department here to help you. Help@leatherrepaircompany.com. We hope you enjoy our top tips videos, and thank you very much.